Salut Français 3. Aujourd'hui, on va parler des adjectifs comparatifs et superlatifs. Les adjectifs comparatifs, c'est quand on voudrait comparer deux choses. En anglais, on utilise ER. Par exemple, smaller, faster, quicker, bigger, taller, etc. So, en français, if I want to say I am more than, I use the construction plus plus the adjective plus que. Voilà deux exemples. Je suis plus grande que David. Je suis plus grande qu'Eric. Notice that que changes to the apostrophe when the next word starts with a vowel. If I am less than, then I'm going to say moins plus the adjective plus que. Voilà un exemple. Je suis moins grande que David. I am less tall. If we want to say that we are equal to someone, we use aussi plus the adjective plus que. Je suis aussi grande que David means I am as tall as David is. So that's when someone is equal. Now we got to talk about adjective agreement, of course, and you always want to focus on the first noun in the comparison. So if I look at my sentence, Juliette est plus intelligente que Marc. All right, here we are referring to Juliette, which is why this is feminine. Or in this case, mes parents sont plus riches que moi. All right, we make riche plural because it's referring to parents, which is plural. After that que at the end, it doesn't have to be somebody's name. We can also use our stress pronouns. So here's a couple examples. Jacques est plus grand que moi. Moi is a stress pronoun. Sophie est moins faible que lui. Sophie is less weak than him. So remember our stress pronouns. Moi, toi, elle, lui, nous, vous, eux, and elle. So those are les adjectifs comparatifs. We also have to think about, there's a few irregulars. One that we'll see is the word meilleur. So I don't say I am more good than you, or gooder. That's very not good. All right, on utilise meilleurs. Notice we don't have the word plus either. So la jupe est bonne, mais la robe est meilleure. The skirt is good. That's a good outfit, but I think the dress is better. Meilleur. Maintenant, on continue avec les adjectifs superlatifs. En anglais, les adjectifs superlatifs is when you are the most something. Or we use EST, biggest, strongest, tallest, happiest, etc. There are three parts to this construction, a little different from our comparatives. And the biggest thing you got to notice here is that there's only going to be one person. All right, in the comparative adjectives, we're comparing two people. Okay, so we'll mention two different people. Here, there's only one person mentioned because they are the most of whatever. First part is going to be le, la, or les. Obviously depends on what we're describing. Depends on the gender and number. Then you're going to put plus. That never changes. It's always plus. And then you'll put your adjective. And that adjective, of course, is going to agree with your noun. Par exemple, if you want to say you are the biggest, you're either going to put le, la, les, plus, and then grand. So if I want to talk about that dress is the biggest, I would say la plus grande because dress is feminine. If I'm the strongest, I'm le, la, or les plus fort. So if those boys are the strongest over there, les plus forts with an S at the end. Now, where this adjective goes can change. Because where adjectives goes change. So normally they'll go after the noun because that's usually where adjective goes. But if it's a bags adjective that you have formed the superlative with, it'll go before. So the calmest animal is the l'animal le plus calme. All right, we treat these three words as one. Think of it as one adjective. We'll go after. The smartest girl, la plus intelligente. All right, these all stick together. All right, goes afterwards. But grande, okay, is a bangs adjective that goes before animal. So that's why these three words are stuck over here. Notice that, up here or down here, look at the two laws. All right, so if the superlative is a normal adjective, you're going to end up saying the girl, the most intelligent. You kind of want to think of it that way. Of course, we're going to have one irregular. All right, that's going to be our word bon. So we saw it was meilleur for better. If you are le meilleur or la meilleure, you are the best. And again, we're not going to see the word plus at all. Madame, par exemple, est la meilleure athlète. So Madame is the best athlete. Come at me. Woo! Et voilà, ça c'est fini pour les adjectifs comparatifs et superlatifs. Merci.